Located on 30 acres of remote pasture, Lavaflow 5 frames the sea and sky with its structure and linearity. The slender steel frame supports walls of varying opacity, ranging from complete transparency to glass, screen, and solid surfaces, overlooking the Hamakua coastline on the eastern slope of Mauna Kea on Hawaii's Big Island. The remoteness of the site, the desire for large open spaces, and a commitment to sustainable construction led the architects to explore steel prefabrication as a construction method. A modular bolt-together structural system was designed and developed based on 8x8 wide flange beams, allowing for long steel spans while maintaining the envisioned elegance of scale. The structure was fabricated in San Francisco by a workshop specializing in small-scale architectural steelwork. A self-supporting corrugated metal roof system was integrated into the structural design and delivered alongside the steel frame. Assembly of the structure and roof took 5 days. Lavaflow 5 was positioned at the highest point of the site, protected from the strong winds that are constant on this side of the island. The house is long and narrow, with all rooms facing north toward the ocean. Circulation is on the south side, where sunlight is controlled by an epoxy resin screen, a material typically used for industrial flooring. The house's narrow plan enables passive cooling through cross-ventilation, eliminating the need for mechanical air conditioning. The industrial screen filters sunlight, creating a consistent and diffused interior light quality throughout the day. The house is elevated above the site and accessed via a 50-foot by 50-foot reflecting pond. Decidedly simple in its construction, using steel, concrete, and glass, the house meets the essential requirements for living while inviting residents to fully experience Hawaii's dynamic environment.